everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to make chai tea cake for a really long time and let's make it today. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. To make chai cake we need masala chai, and to make masala chai we need masala, which is spices, and chai, tea. So I'm going to add it into the boiling milk. And I'll give it a stir. I'll cover it with a plate and turn off the flame. Now I let all the flavors seep in while it gets cooling. Let's get on making our batter. But before I do that, I should really wear my apron. So I'll take a bowl and I'll add in our wet ingredients. Oil and castor sugar. And I'll whisk it until the sugar is dissolved. Next goes in the condensed milk. And I'll add in vanilla extract. Now I'll strain our tea. Our tea has reduced to half cup. I'll add this into our wet mixture. It's time to sift in our dry ingredients. Flour, baking powder and baking soda. And I'll mix it with a spatula. And I'll quickly transfer it into my prepared tin. Now I'll gently smoothen the top. Now I'll pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for around 30 minutes or until the skewer inserted comes out clean. Hear that? It is done! Oh my god! It smells like tea! I let it sit on the counter until it cools. Then I'll slice it. Doesn't it look nice? Let's give it a try. This is so soft, spongy and delicious that this is the best cake that you will ever have.